Thank you, Chris. We reported a significant improvement in our business unit performance in 2010. If I can start with the corporate and investment bank, where profitability grew by 52% to 7.7 billion, we are pleased to say that the three business units were equally profitable. Our contribution to revenues moved towards our goal of contributing equally to revenues, with global markets contributing 38%, transactional products and services contributing 33%, and investment banking contributing 29%. We maintained our leadership position in the industry in investment banking, advisory, project finance, stockbroking, and custody. And this was evidenced by the awards and accolades that we received during the year. Euromoney awarded us with the Best Investment Bank in 2010. Global Financial Awards awarded us with the Best Sub-Custodian, and we also were the Best Stockbroking House by Emerging Markets Africa. If I move across to the Personal and Business Bank, where we also recorded some important milestones, I'm pleased to report that our branch network grew from 70 in 2009 to 141 in 2010. Our ATM footprint also improved from 132 to 200. We grew our loans by 94%, and our savings account grew by 63%. And we continue to make significant investment in infrastructure in building our retail platform in the country. Moving across to our wealth business, which comprises our pension fund management and our asset management, we grew assets under management to 580 billion naira. This was a 51% increase on the previous year. Retirement savings accounts also grew to 800,000, which is the largest number of RSAs in the industry. Profitability improved from 3.4 billion in 2009 to 4.3 billion in 2010, and we remain the leading asset management business in the country. So despite a very challenging business environment in 2010, we were able to come out ahead of the pack, demonstrating that indeed we have a formidable team and able to also report good profits. So we are very pleased with the outcome. Thank you.
So that was 2010. So what does 2011 hold in store for all of us? Well, the answer is a number of challenges, but also some very exciting opportunities. If we think about the key themes for this year, what are they? The first must be funding. And the reality is that the bank is in a different position to what it's been in the past, and it has started to grow its risk assets at a pace which is going to require us to be much more focused on how we fund those assets, and the focus therefore on liabilities is critical. As a function of that, it's also very critical that our enhanced network, our enhanced product base and TPS give us the momentum that we're looking for in cheap liabilities generation. That is not to say that we want to stop growing our risk assets. We need to keep the momentum going. 2010 saw great success in that, and I urge you all to keep the momentum in terms of 2011 and growing our loans and advances. The biggest challenge the bank has as it looks forward in 2011 is its cost-to-income ratio. We're in a tough revenue environment in 2010, and I suspect that we will continue to be in a tough revenue generating environment in 2011. Our cost-to-income ratio has grown to now 71%, which is unsustainable in our own view as we go forward. So we are going to be embarking on a very fine and minute focus on where we spend money, how we spend the money, and what sort of returns we can expect to make from that spend. And it's going to be up to all of us to take accountability for that in all of our daily lives within the bank. The third theme I would focus on is the customer. The ability to cross-sell is critical. The ability to think about a customer holistically, about what we can do and where we can earn money out of that relationship is fundamental. And I still see too much of a siloed approach in many of our businesses. And I urge you to think cross-businesses, cross-functional and cross-selling as being very critical in everything we do. The fourth thing is about you. The question of accountability and the reality that you are the brand, you are what we are in the marketplace and how our customers interact and experience the institution. And it is so critical, therefore, that you have pride in the organization you work for. You have a sense of self-belief in that we can achieve. And I want you to believe that we can indeed win this game. And we've given ourselves every opportunity to do so. So go out, let's do it, and good luck in 2011.
Stanbic IBTC Bank, moving forward.